Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. A while ago I did a video on things to do on staycation, and this is one of the places I came up with on my list. It's called the Union Church, and it's just over the Hudson River in Tarrytown, New York. The highlight here is the stained glass. This particular piece you're looking at was designed by the artist Henri Matisse. It's a really beautiful place. The other glass was designed by Marc Chagall. And there's stories behind this that are too detailed to go into here. It has to do with World War II and the Nazis and helping people get out of occupied countries and so forth. The docent there was very knowledgeable. There's a connection between this church and the Rockefeller family. The Rockefeller family donated the land and helped to build the church. You can see this is another Chagall. Just a beautiful place. Not far from New York City, not far from where I live in northern New Jersey, about a half hour. It's still an active church. They have services here at 10 a.m. on Sundays, and everyone is welcome to attend. It is a non-denominational Christian church. It was a pretty hot day, and it was nice and cool inside. There was hardly anyone there. I would go back here and spend more time looking at the individual pieces. There's a story behind every one of them, and they depict stories from the Bible. So that's really all I had to say. If you go on, I believe it's hudsonvalley.org, you can get a lot of information about this location and others in the area.